now. My tanks catch them. Keep catching them. Brawl now. Keep rolling. Full push. Ready defensive, okay, ready defensive. Find the healer. Use and W's. Spread. Stay spread, boys. Okay, stay spread. Get ready defensive. Stay spread. Okay, they're looking. Okay, full push now. Find their healer. Roll their healer, boys. Roll their healers. Keep rolling the healers.
Kill niyo si Panda Beat. Kill Panda Beat.
Kill Panda Beat. That's their caller, boys. Yeah, ready defensive. Okay, ready defensive. They have cooldown. Spread out. Yo, my D-tanks, take inside of them. Defensive now. Yo, full brawl now. Why can't we kill anyone? Full brawl. Keep rolling. Keep rolling. Full custom. Keep catching. Yo, mark their healers. Focus their healers. Heal on Mila. My D-tanks. Yo, they're gonna look. Defensive. Get ready defensive. They're gonna look. Keep pushing south. Keep pushing east. My tanks mount up. Then go northeast. Some of my tanks. So defense now. 2 anchors. You don't have any defensive. Keep going, boys. Keep going northeast. Yo, I need some D-tanks to mount up at their backline, man. We cannot catch them. Hello?
Willa guys.
I need some D-tanks at their backline. Everyone else keep pushing. Ready defensive. They have cooldowns now. I need some D-tanks on their front line.
Walang caller yan.
Okay, defensive. Yo, full push now. Wala pa rin D-tank na nag-stop. Hello? Yo, keep pushing. CC them. Kill them.
Dismount na yung ano nila, battle mount. Dismounted na.
Arumo na yun.
Yo, ready defensive. Okay, ready defensive. Mark some of their healers. Ni-mark ko si Wangod. On the ping. Defense now. Yo, kill Wangod. Okay, full brawl now. Naka-mark si Wangod. Full brawl. Brawl them, boss. Azu's dying. Full brawl, boys. Full catch. Keep rolling southeast. Spread out on the choke. Defensive. Heal Sunas. Spread. Heals. Roll now. Keep rolling now. Keep rolling. Dami nyo ng defensive. Keep rolling. Full cash. Yo, kill this guy. Kill this one na hammer. On, naka-heart. Kill this guy. Come back. Yo, reggain if you can. Come back.
Sabi kong pinatay, pre.
Come north. Boys.
Putang ina.
Saan yung mga D-tanks ko, pre?
Natalo kayo?
Wala.
Sa ilalim, pre.
Yo, catch. They're mounting up. Catch. Naka-catch na. Patayin niyo si Emilia. Tukol. Full catch. Ready defensive. Defensive on dark life. Yo, full catch. Sino yung mga ano nila, pre? Battle mount. Huliin nyo nga. Full catch. Walang G dito, ah. Full catch. Mount up at the back. Mount up at the back. Full catch. Si Yumotaro, patayin nyo to si Yumotaro. On the ping.
Where's their battle mount?
Guys, mount up. Sino tong red, pre?
Oy, in combat si Yumotaro, ah.
Ang ina, patay, pre.
Sino namatay?
Hindi, may pinatay ako, boss P.
Eto si Sweets, okay. Mabag.
Tumabog ako.
Gago. Ako, napatay ko si Wangod, pre.
Ay, nakakawa ng gear mo, Keiko.
Meron?
Napatay namin yun ng loot sa'yo
Ayun, thank you. Tumabog ako.
Dito lang sa'yo nakaloot.
Gago, Keks. Una pa lang, sinabi ko may
Yo.
demon armor, pre.
Hindi ko naman nagkagay.
Regroup and bog.
Tangina, nakita ko yung HP mo.
Hindi ka diba sabog?
Oo, pre.
Yung mga namamatay, guys, actually, wag kayo mag-overextend pag wala kang defensive kahit isa.
Boss K, one more daw.
One tap talaga yun, promise. Yo, loot up.
Boss K, one more.
One more now?
One more.
Kasi nagdadalas ng battle mount, eh.
I think we can back this sa may
Yo, sabihin mo one more, pero magbabank muna tayo. Come. Lapit sila kay Pes, pre.
Kaya ang ganda na ka rin ko.
May UFOHO dito pala kayo.
Level 3? Level 1 lang.
Oh,
Ay, dito na tayo mag-bunk. Dito na tayo mag-bunk.
Diba?
Ay, actually, no. We go home, we go back.
Ayaw mo doon sa, sa wall na lang para mabilis.
Saan sa wall?
Ayun, no, may outland din.
Yung storage.
Bayad ka pa dyan.
Kaso ano eh, pag may namatay, di na babalikan yan.
Oo, ano na lang tayo, city na lang tayo.
Kasi i-bank na natin sa island, bank island.
Sige.
2 zones lang naman.
Pre, for the first time, naka-on yung loot logs. Tang ina ngayon.
Gagi,
Nice
ano,
one.
No ko dyan.
Sauces pick up Martlock Cape from Isabadon. Sauces pick up Grandmaster Mercenary Shoes from Isabadon. Yan, mga sample guys.
What to loot? Yung usay ko. Tangina nyo.
Yo, how many people died?
Kalimutan ko, may demon armor sila
Tuwing
eh.
party to.
Ako, namatay din ako. Kalimutan ko.
Na demon ka, na demon armor ka.
Hey, clean na record mo. Putang inang ganda.
Kain ng mga
Gago.
kite comp nila yan. May bedrock, may pay scale drop, tapos meron pang tumutulong
Eh,
sa akin.
Oh,
Alam
yung
mo,
drop.
walang kwenta yan kung meron tayong support. Yun ang need natin next.
Wala tayong mga cleanse eh.
Need natin,
Locus, wala lang.
Wala ding locus.
need natin din ng mga ano, boss